So we know that with Virbo AI Video Generator, you can find numerous AI spokespersons to be the talking heads for your videos with over 300 plus outfits, voiceovers, and language options. But this is just the beginning. Today, I am going to walk you through every key feature of Wondershare Virbo to help bring your proficiency with AI to the most. Let's dive into the world of AI video creation with Virbo. You can download Wondershare Virbo for Windows, iOS, Android, and even use the online web version. Simply follow the link in the description to download and install the version that suits you best. Wondershare Virbo makes it super easy to get started on any platform. Whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, Virbo's seamless integration across platforms ensures you can work from anywhere, anytime. Once you've installed Virbo, open the application and let's dive into its amazing features. First, let's talk about AI avatars. With Virbo, you can create stunning AI avatar videos that can serve as virtual spokespeople for your brand. Head over to the AI avatar section on the Virbo website. This feature allows you to select from a diverse range of avatars, each customizable with over 300 outfits and various voiceovers. You can choose an avatar that perfectly matches the tone and style of your video. For instance, if you're creating a corporate presentation, you might select a professional-looking avatar with a formal outfit. For a more casual video, you can choose an avatar with a friendly appearance and casual clothing. Virbo supports 460+'s voices in multiple languages, so your avatar can speak in any language you prefer. Imagine having an avatar that not only speaks in the language of your target audience, but also mimics the nuances and expressions needed to convey your message effectively. Next up is the talking photo feature. This is where you can animate any photo to make it speak, bringing static images to life. Simply upload a clear front-facing photo to Virbo. You can choose any image, whether it's a picture of yourself, a historical figure like Mona Lisa, or even a character from your favorite movie. Once uploaded, input the text you want the image to say. And choose a voiceover to give your animated photo the perfect voice. This AI-generated video feature allows you to select from a variety of voices to match the tone and style you want. Whether you need a warm, welcoming voice or a professional, authoritative tone, Virbo has got you covered.
Try Wondershare Virbo and rock your video production.
Now, let's explore the AI Video Translator. This feature allows you to translate your videos into multiple languages with precise lip syncing, making it incredibly easy to reach a global audience. One of the most exciting aspects is the voice clone feature, which maintains the speaker's original voice characteristics in the translated audio. It's not just about changing the language, it's about keeping the authenticity and engagement of the original video. Here's what you can get from Virbo's AI video translation feature.
I'm an athlete. Like I actually am such a good athlete. 我是一名运动员，真的，我非常擅长运动，和我一起出游的人。
It's amazing, right? This is incredibly useful for creators who want to expand their reach. For example, if you have a tutorial video in English and you want to make it accessible to Spanish-speaking audiences, the AI Video Translator will do the job seamlessly. All you need is to upload your video, select the original language and the target language you want the video translated into, and let Virbo handle the translation. To make your translated video look super professional, turn on the lip sync feature. This ensures the translated audio matches the speaker's lip movements perfectly, which is great for maintaining a natural look in interviews, tutorials, and presentations. Plus, you can add subtitles to make your video accessible to everyone, ensuring your message is clear even in noisy environments. Simply turn on the subtitles button. Captions are great for improving accessibility and keeping viewers engaged. Next up is the voice cloning feature. Wondershare Virbo's voice clone feature lets you create a digital copy of any voice, adding a personal touch to your AI-generated videos. To get started, upload 50-90 seconds of clear speech, preferably without music or background noise, for the best quality. Then, read the script on the pop-up screen, confirming you have permission to clone the voice you've uploaded. Next, click the Create Clone button. Let Virbo's AI technology analyze and transform your voice sample into a digital clone that sounds just like you. Once the voice is cloned, you can use it to create custom voiceovers for any video project. This feature is perfect for maintaining consistency across your content and ensures your audience hears a consistent, recognizable voice. Finally, let's talk about Virbo for mobile. The mobile version of Virbo includes all these amazing AI tools right at your fingertips. Whether you're on the go or prefer working from your mobile device, you can create, edit, and translate videos seamlessly. Download the Virbo app from the link in the description and start making AI-generated videos anywhere, anytime. The Virbo mobile app includes the talking photo and AI avatars features. Further in the AI tools section, you get AI photo generator, AI video translator, text-to-speech, topic-to-video, and AI script features, allowing you to harness the full power of AI video generation wherever you are. You can even shoot videos directly from your mobile device and instantly start editing and translating them within the app. This level of flexibility is perfect for content creators who need to produce high-quality videos quickly and efficiently. With Wondershare Virbo, you have a powerful suite of AI tools to elevate your video production game. From AI avatars to video translation and the voice cloning, Virbo has it all. These features not only save you time, but also ensure that your videos are professional and engaging. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tricks. Don't forget to download Wondershare Virbo and start creating amazing AI videos today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.